Guys, so welcome back to the channel, and good news, and let's get straight into it. FZ6r, second installment, part 2 of the rebuild, and we have received a late Christmas present. Let me share this with you. 2 massive boxes. There we go. All the way from America, from Partzilla.com. If you guys ever want to buy genuine parts, they deliver even to New Zealand. Quick and easy, and let's go ahead. Box number 1. Unfortunately, you guys can see I did open them before because I had to make sure that nothing got damaged in the shipping. And what will this be? Boxes and boxes galore. Oh, there's let's have a look. A packing slip. Oh, let's go. Fuel tank, brand spanking new. You guys remember what the previous one looked like after the accident? It was well banged up. This is brand new, never been used. And let me slide this over. Still sealed up. Do a video on the rebuild where we reinstall the fuel tank, the fuel pump and the fuel filter that's inside there, and all the mounting hardware. But this tank is in fantastic. The color is great. Now I know what you guys thinking. It was a white motorcycle, but if you do a Google search and you Google search FZ6r 2014 model and look for images, you will find white bike with a red tank, a red main fairing, red front fender, and the side and the tail pieces are white, and that's the way we're going with this one. So we're not going to go all white like it used to be. We're going to go for the red and white version. Alright, here's another big one. And as you guys will see, everything is original Yamaha spares. It's not aftermarket eBay specials found on made in China or found in China. This is the original. Sorry, I'm working with one hand here, so it is a little bit difficult. But there we go. Main fairing. You guys will remember how the other one was scratched up and cracked all over this area as well. So we decided, and it was the original one was all scratched up on this area. So there we go. All brand new fairings with attaching hardware. No expenses spared for the rebuild of this motorcycle. There we go. Look at that. Man, that is fantastic. Oh, let's keep on digging. Alright. Oh. Again, proper OEM spares, Yamaha replacement parts. Handlebars. As you guys can remember on the Yamaha one, the one that we have, a little dent there and a little bend right over there, just forcing that one to sit low, not taking, as you can see, there you can see it properly, right there, bend down. So no chances taken here, replace, and as you see, brand new OEM spares. Get rid of the rags. More spares, more plastics, and everything Yamaha OEM spare parts. Yeah, right, here's the next big one. There we go, brand new right hand side fairing. I fitted the indicator light already. This is a flush fit. Instead of the stalk indicators that they originally, this one was damaged, the stalk indicators. Now we will probably remove the racing number and everything because we don't have this decal on the other side, and this is a $72 US decal, so we might just get rid of the decals. We'll probably leave that one and get a one for the other side, but the big one, because you guys remember the other one had a small FZ6r here and this was all clean. But there we go, brand new, never been used. You see everything, it is just in a fantastic condition because it's brand new. That's the only reason for that. I'll place this one just here. I don't want to scratch any of the fairings as we dig in deeper. Right, even a brand new Yamaha oil filter. Yes, this machine will get a fresh service before we go. We don't have to worry about an air filter because, as you can see, she's running on a K&N. I'll clean that and oil it up, but we'll put a new oil filter on. Mounting brackets. As you guys can remember, there's another indicator for the left hand side that's not damaged. I will replace this one also with the original one, and another bracket. Remember the brackets that were bent, I said I'm replacing everything. I'm not bending anything straight. I'm not taking shortcuts on this. Bolts that were shaved off. I'll show you guys. It's a little bit difficult, but right on here this bolt was shaved down when it was grinding on this tarmac. So brand new bolts. I'll go back on, and there was another bolt that was damaged. So, and even the bolts, Yamaha original spares. What have we got here? Motorcycle spare parts, all the way from the States, and it was quite a large amount. And yep, last two little panels. Right, yep, this one's on the inside of the fairing. Was sitting here somewhere. That got damaged. Wasn't a big break, but it was just on the inside here. A couple of pieces broke off, but there we go, brand new fairing for there. And last piece. This one is around the instrument panel that got damaged as well, and as you guys can see, brand new. This slides up. Not really sure. I'll figure it out tomorrow, but I think, yep, it's somewhere like that. Just cleaning up everything around the intake or the instrument panel. So there we go, brand new spare parts worth over 2,000 US dollars. So not cutting corners on Linda repairs, and we'll probably start tomorrow with the fuel tank and get the pump, the fuel pump and the fuel filter installed, and the indicators, indication, the float, and then start assembling. And if you guys think satin black to change all the fairings, that was one idea we had. Satin black, and obviously with the type of matte slash satin everywhere else. Front fender satin black, leave the frame red, and the rear panels as well, turn them satin black. Let us know in the comments below if you think satin black and red because the wheels are black and red as well. So if you think satin black and red, or should we go for the red and white color scheme?